Hello, everybody. So my cake came. It's funny because I got a notification that it was coming, and it said between 11 and 3, and I thought, oh, good, I'll do the haul on my tonic and not do a making video or whatever, and I just kind of take it easy today. And then I got another email saying, no, it's going to be between 4 and 8. And here it is. It's not even 3 o'clock, and it's here. So let's see what's in this. And I haven't even looked at this one yet. So, you know, I haven't seen any previews or anything of this. So what I'm looking at is very cute. Baskets and bunnies. Very cute. What could you create? So we're going to have to look. It says an embossing folder. I don't remember getting embossing folders before. All right, we'll look and see. Let's look at the dies first. Oh, the stamps are coming out. Oh, the embossing folder is a very small embossing folder. So probably like a panel or whatever. And here's the stamps. It's the little bunny. And here's the little sticker. And then we have the die that cuts out the bunnies. Okay, so you can make it a box, a little box, it looks like. In the basket, that is cute. Very cute. Happy Easter down here. I am loving this. This is adorable, adorable, adorable. And then, so, there's little bunny feet. So cute. So cute. Okay, we'll have to see. Let's look now at our little gray bag of joy. And glitter accents. Fresh snowfall. I don't recall having this before. Add a luxurious glimmer effect to your craft project. And then we got French lilac. Very pretty. Very pretty. I'm wondering if we need to try this on something. On a piece of paper. Let's see, I got a scrap right here. Dry flat for 24 hours. So, oh. I guess I'll have to come back and we'll have to look because right now I don't see any glitter effect to it. It just looks like glue. But that'll probably dry clear. And then this might be, it says it's a crystal drop. Let's check our colors. I need a scrap of white. They look very pretty on the, let's do the other side. The chisel tip. That's going to give us a better, nice. And they're juicy. They're not dried out. A lot of times I get them, and they're kind of dried out, but that's not dried out for sure. This is short horn brown. This is Spectra green. Huh, that Spectra green looks like an aqua. This is Blueprint. So there's quite a bit of blues in here. Wild Iris. That should be like a periwinkle, I'm thinking. No, it's purple. Which is odd because the cap color looks like a periwinkle. And then we have Butternut Squash. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. A Pastel Parade and Easter collection. 36 sheets of luxurious 8x8 200 GSM cardstock. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, look, little tags on this side. And then we have eggs. 3 of these. 3 of the little flags. Now, these little flags are not necessarily Easter, are they? Nope. The little bunny. I like the little bow ties. Oh, we're going to have to come back and look at the other side of them. Okay, blue background with flowers. Little chicks. Oh, the hearts. Butterflies. Lots of butterflies. Bunnies. Are you seeing the backs? I'm going to come back and show the backs. More hearts. Eggs, and these ones have foil on them. So very kind of kitty stuff. Look at the chicks with the foil. And then dots. And I think, okay, so on the other side of the dots, we have hearts with foil. I'll show you the opposite sides. White dots on pink. A kind of aqua-y gingham. What have I done? This has hearts here, but eggs on that side that say Happy Easter to you. This one, what would you call that? Diamonds? String of diamonds, I don't know. Stripes, colorful stripes. Yellow with white dots, little tiny white dots. Stars. The flowers have dots on the other side. they're all going to go really well together, I think, if you just flip it over and you get 3 pieces of each. So, okay, on these little rabbits, we have Happy Easter. On here we have that. Ooh, that would be really busy together, wouldn't it? Oh, really busy together. Okay, we have a pink gingham. And of course, like I said, with this one, we have the tags. Okay. So that's that. And then I'm wondering if we're going to find craft paper since we have a basket. We should, I'm thinking, but that doesn't necessarily mean we will. Okay, wow. See, that is very yellow. I'm looking in the screen, and it looks kind of green, and it is not. But some of the glitter in here kind of has a greenish tint. Oh, I love this brown. I just do. I just think that brown, I love it. It's a shimmer, and it's beautiful. And then we have this Aurora, whatever, mirror, and it's kind of green and blue tints. Then we have a pink. Okay, and then we have a pastel pink and a light blue. And I don't know what this would be, a tan, brown, yellowish color, and then a sort of a lilac color. So I think those are all very nice. I think they're all gonna look good for the kit. And there we go. So I'm not gonna make anything today. I'm just not feeling it, but I did want to share and do the haul. I did do a little short with my little seedlings. Not impressive, but if you knew, then you would know that for me, that's impressive so far that I even have seedlings. So I'm happy with that right now. Okay, these over here, this, and this, and this. I don't recall seeing the little carrots in there. I didn't look very close then, did I? I don't see a carrot there. Oh, there it is inside the box making thing. All right. So we usually don't get the embossing folder. That's a little extra. All right, everybody, if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.